So this is going to be a complete and honest review of Escribe AI. I'm going to be discussing the different OTOs of upgrades of this particular product, and also I'm going to be talking about the vendor. So this is the vendor, his name is Richard Fairbairn, and I'm going to be talking about him, and also I'm going to be talking about his past products which he launched in the past and its performance. So stick around till the end of this video as I'm going to show you if Escribe AI is worth your time. And if you're wondering for a way to make big money online, and if you're looking for like an alternative, and if you really don't want to make money on ebooks, so stick around till the end of this video as I'm going to reveal a strategy that is like way better than Escribe AI as well. So if you don't know what Escribe AI is, it's basically an ebook publisher in which you could be making all of these ebooks. So as you all know, it's a multi-million-dollar industry, the ebook industry. So they are claiming that they could help you make all of these ebooks and later sell them for a great amount of money, and you could be making a lot of money. So they're claiming, yeah. So it's almost a $16 billion value. So the ebook market. And apparently you could also claim the same. So that's what they're claiming. But I personally don't think this particular software is that great, and I have my reasons for that. So the first reason I would like to tell you guys is about the vendor. So the vendor itself is a big red flag because he has got quite the reputation in JVZoo. So he's a verified seller and he's getting like a lot of sales. So if you look at this, so the seller has sold almost 34,000 products. And also if you look at the affiliate also, he's making like a lot of money, maybe more than $1 million per year. But the problem is when you look at his product rating, so his average product rating is only 2-star review. Now, a lot of people don't really know how to go ahead and get to JVZoo and review it. So the people that have actually bought from this particular vendor and reviewed it, and he has got only like 2-star review, which is like really not that great. So I wouldn't personally recommend to get this product from a vendor that has got such low-star review. So if you want to identify whether a vendor is good or not, he has to have at least 4-star or 4-star above in order to understand if he's good or not. So this particular vendor is not something I would recommend. And also one more red flag I found about Richard is that if you look at his other products, you can't see all of his products. And the reason why he almost deleted all of his past product is because of how low his ratings are. So what these vendors in JVZoo does is that when their product gets like really low star review, all of their past product, what they do is just delete it. So the customers or the clients won't get to see how much these products are or how much these products ratings are getting. So this is a way to deceive all the customers, but you can always look at the average product rating. It's only 2-star review, guys. And it's very less, and I wouldn't really recommend it. Even though he is one of the top 10% sellers in JVZoo, I really don't recommend this vendor. And one more thing I want to say is that the Escribe AI in the front end, it's about $37 to $47. It really depends on when you get it. And the thing about the different OTOs and upgrades, so the front end, as I've mentioned, is $47. Maybe if you get a discount, you'll get it for like $37. And these are some of the features that you're going to be getting. So the problem is when you actually look at the different OTOs, so you have a bump offer in which you get, this bump offer bundle. So these are some of the features, and then you get a fast pass. This also comes with the front end itself. So it's $197. So it's actually a lot of money if you actually look at it. So the first upsell is again $37, and the second upsell is almost $147. Then the third upsell is $97, and the last upsell, which is the OTO, is also $97. So the thing you need to understand is that this is like a sales funnel in which Richard is making a lot of money. I'm pretty sure you're not going to be getting any value from this particular software. So the way how the funnel works is that, so this is the $47 funnel. So once you get into the front end, you might think like there is a lot of features, but in case you wouldn't get a lot of features in this particular software. So what you'll do is then you will go ahead and purchase the first upsell, which is $37. And again, you'll think like there isn't much features, and then you'll go to the second upsell. And after you guys go to the second upsell, then again you will go to the third upsell thinking that there isn't actually any value in it. So you guys will keep on upgrading, and Richard is going to make a lot of money with this particular software. So imagine it's going to be launched in the market today, and imagine if 1,000 people buy it, which is pretty normal for that particular vendor. So 1,000 into 47, that's almost $47,000 from just the front end offer alone. So if you combine all the OTUs that people are buying, he's going to make a lot of money. So the question you really need to ask yourself is that, is it really worth your time? So all this ebook publisher, ebook maker. So I personally don't think this is worth your time because of the vendor and his reviews and looking at the different OTUs and upgrade. This is something I wouldn't really recommend. So I suggest you guys stay away from this particular software. And also, if you're really looking for a way to make big money online, I would like to suggest you this particular course over here. It's called Affiliate Takeover. It has personally helped me as well, and it's one of the better products out there in Warrior Plus. So let me just show you the person who made this course. So his name is Kevin Fahey. So if you can see, he's one of the top 5% vendor. He's got quite the reputation. And the good thing is, like, when you look at his sales, he has got a 4.13 star review. So that's something you really need to keep in mind. And this is the kind of vendor, like, you have to go for it if you want to identify a good product or not. So he has got almost 588 reviews and almost 48,000 sales. Also, he's got a great review. So that's the thing you need to keep in mind. And Kevin Fahey is one of the better vendors out there. And as you can see, if you want to look at how much Affiliate Takeover is getting, it has got almost 4.67 star review, which is actually very, very great. And the front end will cost you around, $17, but it's really great. It's a great product, and which is why I'm also recommending this. So this is the vendor you have to actually look for, and this is someone you should actually stay away from. So that's basically it for my review of Escribe AI. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'm hoping to see you on another review video. Take care.